Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit. Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 4. Sir, the total number of posts which are lying vacant in the department right from grade 4 to the top post is 2,228 posts, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I know from Honorable Minister, since when is this post is lying vacant, sir?
This post lying vacant as on date, sir.
Pardon, sir. Pardon, I cannot get clear reply.
So this post lying vacant as on date.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we have already saw here that vacant post is already that around the 2028, and I'm sure that if the department is working properly, we knew that unemployment problem in the state, many of our youth will get employment. So since 2028 vacant post, may I know the second step or next step of action the department will take how to accommodate all this 2028, sir?
Sir, MPSC has already advertised for 17 number of posts of MPS, and also the Central Recruitment Board of Police Department has already advertised the post in 2019, and the process of recruitment is on, and we are hopeful that in the next few months we will do the needful.
Mr. Speaker, sir, that in year 2019, as already mentioned by an Honorable Minister, because we knew that Meghalaya Police have its own recruitment board. May I know that when that process will take shape? Now is only 2021. Matters of complete 1 year. When we expect that advertisement will come out, and when the date of interview will take place, and when we expect that all formalities will be complete at the end, sir.
So the advertisement have already come out. The MPSC has advertised for the post of MPS on the 2nd of August 2019, and the Central Recruitment Board of Meghalaya has given the advertisement on 12 November 2019, and in fact the physical test was supposed to be conducted in the month of March, April, but due to the pandemic that have been stopped, and we, the department, have got the permission from the government of Meghalaya to go ahead with this process of recruitment for this posts which are advertised by the Central Recruitment Board. So I hope that within this month, in these few months, we will complete the process for these posts which have been advertised.
So, Ministers already mentioned that MPSC have already been advertised for the posts for MPS. And may I know from Honorable Minister, how many posts are advertised by the Meghalaya Recruitment Board? Total number of posts advertised by the Meghalaya Recruitment Board.
The number of posts advertised by the Central Recruitment Board is for an branch constable 268, for fireman male 37, driver fireman male 25, MPRO operator 351, and AB category 402, and SF10 sub inspector 3, and commando male commando female and signal operator 144, and the follower is male 64 and flower SF10 male 10. So the total number is 1015.
So,
Last question.
so may I know from Honorable Minister, out of this 2028, we knew that this post lying vacant for IMSS that 2 years back. How much the department has saved money by not appointing or by not accommodating all these vacant posts?
For that, I require notice.
Only one more, sir.
Long and print, please.
Honourable Speaker, sir, I would like to inquire from the Honourable Home Minister, in light of the fact that the women police stations are poorly manned because of a paucity of women SIs, especially who play the important role of IO. May I inquire from the Honourable Home Minister whether or not the police department will have a special drive for the enrollment of women into the police force to do the duty and man all the women police stations across the state, sir.
So, Mr. Speaker, sir, as per the reservation for women is 10%. So we are trying to recruit for the quota is 10%, and if they are more qualified, also there is more harm.